This is a pack of leather gloves sold for welding and other purposes. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you $9. So they come in one size, which is large. I have relatively large hands, and I'm kind of floating around a little bit inside there. They're not too bad. You could certainly work with them, Arn. You know, you can grab things and manipulate stuff, but there is, you know, excess space around my fingers on these gloves. So they're made out of cowhide, and they protect most of your forearm here, so a pretty good length. They feel pretty nice. Feel like they'd be breathable. So yeah, at this price point, I think that's a pretty good deal for a set of gloves.